I broke a rule. I did something stupid and broke a rule, a trading rule. Very basic, very simple trading rule. I went off the strat. I did not follow. I did not follow the strat today, and I paid dearly for it. Let's see what happened.
All right, guys, let's look at this knockout that I got on me today. I mean, I really got beat up on this one, and it's my fault. I went off the strat method, and when the strat works is when you are following it diligently, and I didn't. If you look down here on the daily, you can see that the daily candle was an inside candle the previous day, meaning it wasn't going below or it wasn't going above. I should have just waited until I had confirmation on which way this day was going and then jumped in and did whatever I had to do. But I didn't. I got greedy and started seeing things and oh, I can scalp and I can do this before it does bounce. And that's where we get in trouble when we start thinking we can do it and we see things that are really not there. Okay, so I'm in on this trade and I'm looking at the 15-minute candle. And once that thing broke below the previous day, that's when I got in. That was my confirmation, and that's how the strat works. Okay, but still remember, the day is still an inside candle. The day is still an inside candle. The 5 minute over here, it broke below. It's still breaking below. You can see I'm at a 350 or 250 profit. I'm up. I'm good. I'm okay. Everything time frame continuity on the shorts. The short time frames are all in tune with each other. Everything's going down on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15, but the daily's still inside. The daily's still inside. That is where I'm gonna get chopped up. So okay, I'm sitting at 850, $9. I'm doing good. I'm thinking I got it made. Let's speed this up just a little bit and see what starts to happen here. Okay, I got a little 1 minute candle. You see how it's trying to form green, but it didn't. And there goes a little green candle. But that starts to put a shadow on the 15 and the 5 minute. You see the shadow, the tail on it, if you will. It starts to form. It's scary because when you see that after a downtrend, it could signal a reversal. Okay, so keep that in mind. Looking at the 5 and the 15, we have a tail. What do we have going on the one? A lot of indecision. Okay, I'm over here looking at about 750. I'm still okay. I'm still not negative. Okay, there we go. Yes, I picked a winner. Look at this. But see how I pulled up my create closing order? I was already at $8 up, but I saw a bounce down and then back up again and then down again. I was getting ready to sell. I should have just walked off of this trade at 12, $13, but I didn't. I kept going. Again, not sticking to the plan. Trust the plan. Again, what didn't I do? I didn't set a stop. I did not set a stop. If I would have set a stop at, let's say, 10% off my trade, I would have probably been out well before the bloodbath that you're about to see. Let's speed this up. Okay, the tail and the shadow is getting bigger. We have a green candle coming up here. Excuse me. Okay, there you go. We're going to have a 2 to the upside right there. You see that? On the 5 minute, 2 to the upside. What do we have here? This candle just turned green. This tail. Okay, what do we see on the 1 minute? Boom. Guess what? We're seeing signs of a reversal, aren't we? See, I was going to go ahead and get out of this trade with about a $41 loss, but no, I kept going because my emotions took over. Oh, it's going to get better. It's going to get better. It's going to come back. The whole market's been in a downtrend. Everything's going to go down. Wrong. Trust the chart. Quit thinking and trusting in your own thoughts because you're going to only kill yourself. Okay. Minus 41, minus 43, minus 48, or 47, I'm sorry. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Is it coming back? Is it coming back? No, it's not. Okay. I should have cut my losses a long time ago, but I didn't. Okay, look. What's happening with the daily down there? It's a doji, indecision. It's up and it's down. Where am I? I'm at minus $54. Not good. Ooh, minus 64. You see that? But I'm still stupid. I'm still hanging in there, right? It's going to come back. No, I just want it to come back down to about 50 bucks so I can get out. But guess what? That's not going to happen. So we just keep going. Oh, there's my 50. There's my 50. Oh, 46. Can I get out? Oh, no, no, no. It's on its way down again. I'm going to stick with it. Guess what? It never comes back down. But dealing with options when you're trying to scalp something going against what the strat's telling you to do, you're going to lose heavily. And with options, especially because they move so quick. They move so quick. So there's 40, there's 48, there's 51, there's 58, there's 60, 64, 76. Look at that huge 1 minute candle. Look at that huge 15-minute candle. Boom, I'm out. Okay. Here's where you got to get smart. You just got beat up. You just lost a good chunk of money. Don't beat yourself up over it. Get over it. Go back. Look at what you did wrong and don't do it again. Okay? Don't do it again. Just learn from your mistakes and just don't do it again. It's that simple. So what you saw was me going off of my plan, off of my rules that I set up for engaging in a trade. Again, the strat method does work 100%. I trust it, but I went off of it and I paid dearly for it. So I hope this video will help you to understand that the strat does work, and also that you need to get your emotions in check. When you lose, we don't vengeance trade and I'm going to go to the other side and I'm going to make that money up. You lost, okay? You lost a trade. Get up, go get a cup of coffee, go get a drink of water, cool your head. Then come back, sit down and figure out what you did wrong. No vengeance trading. No trying to soothe your ego and your little pride. So look at this as education. You lost, okay? Get over it. Tomorrow's another day. All right, guys? So we'll see you next time.